Hi, I'm Annabelle, and I want to introduce to you the most phenomenal way to light your tree ever. It is so simple. We are no longer using that string of lights that's every 3 inches apart you have a light, every 5 inches apart you have a light. Now we're doing something, it's called a cluster light, and you will be so amazed. They sometimes can be thought of as maybe being a little bit pricey, but let me tell you, in lieu of paying psychiatric care, these lights will save your day, and they're going to last for forever because they're LED. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. Right now, I'm standing in front of this wonderful tree. Let me see if I can't turn off the lights with the remote control. This is how this tree looks. This is how it comes. It has 650 lights on it. It's unbelievable, isn't it? You think, oh my gosh, I've got a lot of lights. Well, we turned around and we put the cluster lights on it. And as I said, they operate by remote control. So I am able to put them on, and they actually have functions so that I can make them dance a little bit. That's what I'm saying about the best part of this is how easy they are to use. They're cluster, as I said. Now, you will come and take a good look at this. They're clustered together, and it's you can do the colored light or you can do the white light. You can do the white light on a clear string in case you have a white tree. But even if you should knock out one of these light bulbs, it doesn't affect the rest of the bulbs on the string. It has no effect on it at all, and that would mean you would actually step on it to break it, because so far I have been using these lights now for 2 seasons, and I'm just finding them remarkable. When I started working this tree and I started using the cluster light, I used 2 sets of 44-footer and another set of a 19.5-foot string of lights. So what you do, and this is it. I mean, it's just this simple little box, and you're going to take the lights. They are electric. They do plug in, but you're going to run them from the bottom of the tree and take them around and just lightly lay them on the branches. Now, with this tree, I did serpentine them in and out, just waver them a little bit on the branches. And of course, the first thing you're going to do after you set up your tree is to get your lights going. And I did leave the lights on. I don't want the lights taken off that come with the tree, so keep that in mind. Please don't take them off the tree. You're going to want every light you can get. And so I ran the first string of 1,300 lights, did another 1,300 lights, and then ran a 600 string of lights. And I did this, and if you'll notice the top of the tree, that's the original light. I just want you to see the difference in the color and how much fun you can have. Actually, when I first put these on the tree, I thought we were going to be landing airplanes right here in the store. It's bright, it's vibrant, it's exciting, and you're just the labor force on this is way down. But they are electric. You cannot piggyback them. That's one thing you cannot do. But you're just going to lay them on the branches. And so for easy care, easy maintenance, whether you take them off the tree at the end of the season and fold up your tree, or you're able to cover it and just roll it into another storage area, the lights are going to stay on the tree. Easy to do. And as I said, they come with the green cord and the colored light, as you see them right here. And we're going to let you see them on a couple of other trees, because I also have them on a white tree. So I have the clear light, clear string on that. And then I have them on a green tree with the white light. Now, just to know, since I've added 1,300, that's 2,600 lights. Plus I added the 600 lights here. So now I've got 3,200 plus the 600 lights that were already on the tree, 650 lights. So you've got 4,000 lights on this tree. And yet it was not labor intensive. It was so easy to do. It's something to look forward to doing with your tree instead of the nosebleed and the headache that you usually have when you run the old-fashioned light. So trust me when I say the cluster light is what you want here. It's available at Annabelle's, and don't worry, we can ship them to you, but we hope you'll come to the store so you can eyewitness all the lighting that we do through the store and how we can make it so easy for you. Have a great day and a beautiful Christmas season.